There's a window into heaven. I can close my eyes and see where there are no worldly struggles, and the captive is set free, where the deaf and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see, and all those crippled legs are dancing all around the crystal sea. Now there's a special place in heaven where the unborn children play, and they're wrapped in arms by mamas whose chance has slipped away. And all those unwanted children say my daddy is the king, and there's smiles on all their faces as they spin around and sing. Now don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and those tears are finally gone? Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on.